Ano puti na lang ba nag-lag? Bakit kayo natutuwa?
Chandok. Ha, 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 ha. Ano ba mga experience natin sa Japan? Pero one of my favorite countries yung Japan eh. After ba ng first day, kasunod na ba yung ganap nyo sa 1 Million Dance Studio? Isang araw lang ba yun?
Hindi. Actually,
Eh,
ibang
dun
bansa
din
yun.
ba yun?
Baliw.
Oo nga pala, sa Korea pala yung 1 Million Studio. Bano? Hindi. Akala ko na sa Japan pala yun.
Asan
Pero
po yung tatlo?
hindi ko mapaliwanag yung hindi ko mapaliwanag yung experience eh. Kasi, ayun, gusto ko lang din i-commend yung yung system nila doon sa Japan, sa the first day. Kasi, sobrang, tawag dyan, sobrang systematic nung paggalaw natin doon, di ba? Parang tatawagin tayo, bago tayo pumasok, bago kumanta, tapos pipicturean, tapos talagang bilang lang yung shots, tapos may posing na kayo. So parang walang hassle, dire-diretso lang yung gagawin nyo. Pero, kinabahan pa rin kami kasi yun naman yung highlight nung ganap dun sa the first take, yung performance. Wala, nawala si Josh, naglalag.
Nandito pa ako.
Ayun. Naglo-load ka, nagsisircle-circle.
Ay,
Anyway, ayun pala,
ganun.
bukod sa the first
Bathroom
take.
naman.
Ah, ini-invite ko rin kayo bumoto pa sa Kids Choice Awards. Kids Choice Award. Award. Daming awards. Ayan. Vote for SB19. Let's go!
Let's
Abangan yan
go.
8:43 na. 12
Konti
minutes. Ay,
na lang.
17
Nandun log
minutes pa.
po.
Akala ko mag-ikot.
Nagkakahoy daw.
Oo nga, may nakita ko na nagre-request na sana daw. Wag mong ikunot ang iyong noo yung kinanta natin nung
Abay,
Malu.
sige.
Di!
Sa, sana, ano na lang, pinatay nyo na lang ako.
Tapos, nandun yung yung sumulat nung wag mo ikunot. Yung original singer.
Guys, kaya ako lag kasi nasa parking lot ako. Kaya no, nasa parking lot kaharap ko pa oh. Kaya medyo mahina ang internet natin.
Alam nyo ba kung bakit malabo si Josh? Ay, hindi.
Ano naman yan?
Hindi, may nabasa lang akong comment, may nag-chat sa akin eh.
Ano sabi?
Di ka ba sinasabihan? Kaya ka daw malabo.
Hindi eh.
Kasi nga, the first take.
Ha?
Josh, matutulog
Ayun.
na ako pang nag-hi ka sa akin. Ano ginagawa mo dyan?
Matutulog, aga pa.
Josh,
Sleep is for the weak.
parang ganap ka daw, Josh. Kaya ka malabo ngayon.
Wala kaya talaga, oh.
Nabasa ko
Kasi
lang
ganun talaga,
sa
syempre.
comments. Sa
Kailangan pag
comments.
nasa Japan tayo, nandun tayo sa tema ng Japan, di ba?
Guys,
Okay ba yan, guys?
PM ay, better, okay. May nagsabi sa akin, better if in English daw. Asni, okay. Hello, guys. Naku, pag English to, wala na magsasalita. Anyway.
Dalawa na lang tayo, eh, no?
For everyone who's,
Pinahirapan niyo pa kami, ha?
for everyone who's watching this live right now, you can check out our content sa The First Take at 9 p.m. You can check their social media account on YouTube. You can watch their performance. Gento. SB19, let's go! And before we even perform during the first take, before we perform our song Gento, um, we were having a banter. And, ano yan? Bakit naglalag? Ano ba yung sasabihin ko na wala tuloy ako sasabihin ko eh. Ba't kasi English? Pero for all our fans, like, from different parts of the world, please join us. Wait for the upload or our performance on the first take. Nasa,
Tara na guys, dito sa baba. Inaantay ko na kayo.
ano yun tuloy? Wala na akong masabi. Anger. Ay, just magsalita ka daw. English, English.
Hello everyone. My name is Josh. So tonight, yeah, like what Pablo said, we're gonna be premiering the first take. It's called the first take because it is the first take.
Legit.
I don't have anything to
100%.
say. Come here, down here. It's
Also,
hot here.
as we are waiting for the premiere of the first take performance of SB19, you can vote us on Kids Choice Awards for SB19 from the Philippines. Let's go. The first
Ganito yung
take.
magiging itsura nyo kapag tumatawa kayo sa mga hindi dapat tinatawanan ng mga content sa TikTok tsaka sa Instagram.
Wala akong
Sama-sama na
maparty.
tayo dito.
Ayun, guys. Also, if you have time and you visited Japan, go to Team Labs. It was a nice place. It's full of amazing what do you call those? Setup. Siguro one of my favorites dun sa Team Labs was yung the play of lights, and we even danced Moonlight there. So yeah, go and check it out. Go visit Team Labs. By Ayo.
Lumiliyab lahat eh.
Your
So,
place is
yeah.
We only have
Yeah,
10 minutes before the premiere of SB19's Gento on the first take. So,
yeah.
ready your
Hell yeah.
device. Ready your
Yeah, that's
devices.
right.
Huh?
I think my voice is delayed, isn't it?
Someone said that the reason why I'm talkative right now is because of my mole. You do believe in that, bro? When kuya punta dito UK, please? I don't know. No. One song lang po. One song lang po? Well, one song lang ba yun? That's the first take.
I don't know.
Well, if you visit their channel on YouTube, um, usually artists perform there singing one song only. Oh, ano ba yun? It's, but SB19 sang Gento. Yes. Punta. Oh no! Ano pong isa-search?
So,
What should I search on YouTube? Of course, the first take.
the first take, my idol.
Just search for the first take. And maybe when the video is up already, you will see uh, the video on their channel. So go ahead, visit the channel now.
Yes, and share it, guys. Share it.
it to your friends.
It's another milestone, and I think yeah, we're very proud of that moment. We're very excited during that time, and I hope we get another chance, or maybe other chances to perform in other, those kinds of similar events and platforms.
Of course, thank you to Sony for um, supporting us. Ay, masarap kahit sunog. Boss. Guys, only 8 minutes left. Make sure your devices are all ready to watch our performance on the first take. Pablo, pansinin mo ko. I don't want to, bro. Ang sarap pala sa feeling mabasa comment ko. Haha, thank you. Ang hirap naman kapag ano. Ay, man, pag nagliliyab si
Malinaw
Josh.
ba ako? Malinaw ba ako? Or delay yung boses ko?
We are so proud of you guys. Thank you so much. We are so proud of ourselves as well. But, but thank you all so much for your support. Like, this opportunity won't be possible if it weren't for all of you guys. We are here right now. It's all because of you. Pakisabi kay Ken, hintayin ko po siya dito sa Sorsogon. Paano siya pupunta dyan? Hindi niya alam. Malabo ka daw. Ba't nandyan si Mephisto? I don't know.
Malabo pa rin ba? Malabo?
Oh?
Sayang.
Pablo. I don't wanna wait.
Mga 5G naman
Yung
dito.
Gento Remix nagte-trending sa TikTok now. What? Ano yun? Gento Remix.
Yung ata
Guys.
yun yung yung pinerform natin sa pagtatag.
5 minutes left. Come on. Kailan balik nyo Japan?
Sure.
Oh, when we'll be coming back to Japan? Ah, how I wish could go back right now. At this very moment. I don't wanna wait.
Wala na. Hindi na sa akin nag-load yung mga comments. I'm so sad. I couldn't even read your comments, guys.
Should we end our live? Josh, nahihilo. Pablo, mamansin ka please. Huwag nyo end live para live reacts. What? I'm only using my phone. Then I wouldn't be
Yeah, it's
able to watch the first take if I'm doing live right now.
it's
Pablo,
gonna
sa
be
pang
hard.
excited mo. Tanggapin na lang natin sa Pinas tayo guys, malabo talaga. For sure
Okay
naman.
lang malabo. Basta tayo malinaw.
For sure, 18 will like our performance. Malinaw daw. Hello, good morning. What else to say? Yeah, we're just happy now we were able to perform so the first take. It was a once in a lifetime opportunity. So
Yes. And of
happy.
course, if you're new to this live, if you haven't actually get to watch the start of this live, we're discussing about the first take, and I hope you guys check it out on YouTube. It's gonna be out now at 9 p.m. Philippine time, and of course, we've put so much effort, and of course, we are very proud and excited about the output. So I hope you guys share it, watch it, and enjoy.
Yes, that's right. Again, we're SB19 from the Philippines. Oh,
Yeah.
you make us Filipinos proud. Thank you so much. I mean, malabo man si Josh, malinaw naman pagmamahal ko sa kanya. Alright.
Hindi na sa akin naglo-load yung comments. I'm so Sad. Bro.
So
Wala.
in 4 minutes. So for those who's watching this live right now, there's only 4 minutes left before the premiere of our performance on the first take. 3 minutes. So if you don't know the exact time in your country, there's only 3 minutes left before it will be live on the first takes channel. So go ahead and check it out. Search the first take on YouTube. SB19 Gento. Bye-bye. 3 minutes na lang. Thank you all so much for watching this live.
Thank
I
you,
hope
thank
everyone
you.
gets
Arigatou gozaimasu.
arigatou
Thank you.
gozaimasu. Itadakimasu. Ay, wag mo na yan.
Itadakimasu.
End na po kayo. Hindi na kami makakapanood, please. Alright, guys. I will be ending this
Bye-bye.
in 1 minute. 8:58.
Naiihi na ako.
Thank you all so much. And also, vote us in Kids Choice Awards. So, SB19 po for your support. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye. See you all soon. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Bye-bye.